Hi guys, so I just wanted to do, we actually just came home from a family event. I had my hair down, threw it up, which, you know, gotta love mom life, just throwing up the curls, getting everybody ready for bed. It's actually like 9:30 at night, but I came home to my ER order, so I figured tomorrow is Easter, so this is the only free minute that I will have to quickly sit down and show you what I got in my Essential Rewards order for what month? April. It's going by so fast. So yeah, I didn't get much this month, just because I didn't really need as much this time. So, you know, I got what I needed / wanted. Not as much as last month, but take everything out of the box really quick. I always love reading the little papers and stuff that you get in the boxes. Definitely always check those out when you get them. Always scared me. Anyway, so let's get started. I have my bag here. I only got oils this month. Oh, and a chapstick. I think I ordered a chapstick, didn't I? Oh, yep. I got the cinnamon one because this is actually one of my favorites. I like the grapefruit too, but this one I've actually been liking. So I need another one of those because I fly through chapstick. I am like addicted to chapstick and lip gloss. They always say the first thing is to acknowledge that you have a problem. I have a problem. I literally like, I'm obsessed with having something on my lips. The moment my lips get dry, I need something on them like right away. It's so weird. Anyway, so the first oil I got is Northern Lights Black Spruce. Hopefully it will focus on this guy. Can you see? This one is a for sure go-to must-have. Smells amazing, good for diffusing. Has that nice woodsy smell, so good. And then here we go on this guy. I always feel like I should do this beforehand, and then I always forget, and I have to do it on camera, so I'm sorry. But oh, here they come. Okay, so in here we have sage. Love. Oh, I was gonna try to open and smell it, but and then I got a big thing of rosemary. I've been waiting for rosemary because if you saw my last ER order, I want to do the mermaid spray, and this was the one that I needed that I didn't have yet. So this is great for hair growth and all that stuff. So I'm gonna make it, and I will actually do a video because I'm curious to see how good it works on my hair and stuff. If you've been watching me for a little while and joined me for my vegan vegetarian videos, I suffered some hair loss once we turned plant-based about a year ago. We've turned plant-based a year ago, and since turning plant-based, I've suffered some hair loss. I've gotten blood work done and all my levels, everything B12, I take my supplement, everything was fine, thyroid's fine. So I've heard so many great things about mermaid spray, so I'm really hoping that will help. So definitely going to be trying that out with this. And rosemary is just good for a bunch of other things as well, and great for diffusing and just overall good oil as well. So I will be using it for more than just mermaid spray. And then we got the Kid Sense Tummy Jies. I've been wanting to get this for my little guy. And my daughter, they tend to have sensitive bellies and stuff, so this is good to just rub a little bit on their belly. And again, the Kid Sense line is amazing because it's already diluted and can be applied directly to our kids' sensitive little skin. So definitely try the Kid Sense line. And then Valor. This comes in your starter kit. Always one to have. This is the Bravery oil, gives you that, boost of confidence if you need it. It's grounding, it's good for emotional support, it smells good, good for just perfume, good to diffuse, just overall a really good oil to have. So yeah, that's actually all I got in this month's ER. So again, just wanted to show you guys really quick what I got, and stay tuned. I'm going to be posting some more Young Living videos, and then I also have some haul videos coming up. So yeah, I hope you guys, if you celebrate Easter, I hope you have a good holiday with your family, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.